Today we're taking a look at the BAFOVY BF-ET02 Sonic Power Electric Toothbrush. This particular toothbrush boasts features such as having a pressure sensor head, a 180-day battery life, with up to 50,400 vibrations per minute, and yes, it retails at £41. That's around 50 in US dollars. But for the price, what should you expect to receive? Well, within the box, there is a usual instruction manual with helpful assembly instructions. We get a shiny, but I must say, very handsome looking compact toothbrush unit. You can, by the way, get a blue or white version too, but with this black model today, it has very lovely chrome edge detail. There's a single pin motor head with a matching chrome coated power button sitting below that BAFOVY logo with 5 dental care modes to choose from. Clean, whiten, gum care, polish and sensitive mode, with a battery charge indication sitting just to the bottom. Now to charge this unit, we have within the package a handy travel friendly IPX7 waterproof charge base, which the ET02 will simply slot with ease direct on top and it will begin to charge instantly. But in regards to the toothbrush heads, we do get 4 in total. They have them new level up wavy bristle design to get right into the crevices of your teeth, with each one of them that will last up to 3 months. So you will indeed receive a full year's worth within the package. They slot swiftly onto the toothbrush head just like so, with none of that twisting business. And yes, those universal toothbrush heads are also compatible too. Now with this toothbrush, as mentioned, you do get 180 days battery life. So for example, if you're using the toothbrush for 2 minutes, using it once a day, it would be an equivalent to leaving the toothbrush switched on consistently, running it up to 6 hours before that battery dies. This whole toothbrush unit in fact is IPX7 waterproof, so it is safe to use while showering. When you're applying toothpaste to the toothbrush when it is powered on, you don't have to worry about it vibrating and the toothpaste falling off, because again it has that intelligent pressure sensor built in that will activate the toothbrush into your chosen mode once it's slightly pressed against your teeth. Which I may add will also alert you of overbrushing too, with a little alert via a change of the vibration frequency. And boy, can this toothbrush vibrate. Just look at them bristles. 50,400 vibrations per minute, while it's in that whiten mode for deeper whitening, with 4 other modes to select from. Like a clean mode to help remove periodontal plaque. Yes, slightly slower at 35,400 vibrations per minute. There is a gum care mode too, to provide an improvement to gum health by supplying slower soothing vibrations and not being harsh on your gum surface. Now yes, you do get a polish mode to provide an aesthetically pleasing polish to them front teeth. And finally, there is a sensitive mode too, which is a very helpful mode for anyone who's using an electric toothbrush for the first time, or for example those people with very sensitive teeth. You will also have that 2-minute auto timer with a 30-second interval reminder pausing just for a slight second to indicate to you to change and move the toothbrush to a different brush area. And after using your toothbrush for a long while, take a look at the toothbrush head, because when those blue bristles gradually fade, it will indicate to you to change the toothbrush head to a brand new one, which as mentioned is around every 3 months. Now, as much as I prefer a round-headed designed toothbrush, I've got to admit I rather very much like using this little sonic toothbrush. It's very simple and easy to use, and it's not like those cheap toothbrushes on the market where the heads will simply vibrate and do hardly anything. Basically, you know, cheating you into believe that the toothbrush is doing most of the work. But as you can see just here, these toothbrush heads that are supplied have many areas of rapid movement, enabling it to get right into the correct areas of your teeth, leaving you with a very refreshing feeling without leaving your gums sore in the process. It is a very simple but stunning looking toothbrush unit, and we think it would be a perfect choice for anyone who basically wants to multitask in the shower and save a bit of time. So yes, we can indeed recommend this toothbrush. Okay, it's not a very well known brand, but it does feel very solid and well built. We are going to place this toothbrush into a budget range category, and because of that, we are going to give it a full 10 out of 10, yes. So yes, we have left a handy little link in the video description for you guys to check out. We are not affiliated in any type of way, but if you have liked what you've seen in this review, well, why not check it out for yourself and go get yours? While you're in that video description, guys, it means so much if you please like and share this video today. Most importantly though, please support this channel by subscribing just now. I'd very much appreciate it. Keeping in mind though to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now it's been great reviewing this little toothbrush unit this week, and we've got some different fascinating tech reviews coming in the next few days, so please stay tuned for them. But as usual guys, please stay safe and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!